Hey guys, I'm Ray Duncan, and this is not my kitchen, where every week I will feature a new cocktail recipe or food recipe in a house that I do not own. Hey guys, welcome to this Texas modern style home in the heart of the Hill Country. We're about 20 minutes outside of Austin. I love this house for a few reasons. It's got some of my favorite architects and designers involved. Venetian plaster in the bathrooms and above the hood on the range. But the living room is so bright and beautiful, and it allows for you to have a great time. Feels good to sit in here and drink a cocktail, sit by the fireplace, and just be silent for a little while. You'll notice there's no TV in here. This is just a sitting room, and we're just here to relax. The natural oak flooring is something that we see in trend right now. A lot of white oak flooring throughout. The wide plank makes it feel a lot bigger in this space than it actually is. The tall ceilings also help out with that a lot. But what you'll find and what makes it Texas modern is the inside's very modern, very contemporary, lots of natural light, natural textures, stone countertops. Some of the features of the kitchen, the appliances, you have thermador appliances, which are top of the line. You can't really beat them right now. You have a medium-sized range, which is perfect for the home cook, as I am. Again, I've talked about it before, but the Venetian plaster on the hood really sets a standard of the way this house is going to feel and look. It's clean, yet it stands out a little bit more than a normal vent hood would. Quartz countertops, soapstone countertop for prepping. Let me show you guys how to make this cocktail. So today we're making a drink called the Double Entendre. We are using Earl Grey infused gin that you make at home. You take 2 tea bags of Earl Grey and put your gin into a pitcher, and then you take the 2 tea bags and dump it into the Earl Grey. You can leave it there overnight. Usually takes about 45 minutes to an hour to really infuse, but I just left them in there because I want that strong Earl Grey flavor to go along with our gin. The gin we're using is the Gin Factory out of Scotland. It's got rosemary in it, which is going to pair really nicely with the Earl Grey. It's going to bring some herbal factors to the gin. And I know it's noon, but we're going to make cocktails anyway. A lot of ice, you want this thing chilled. First, you need, per drink, about 1.5 ounces of gin. And a few of these. So I'm going to be putting in a cup. Okay. Then you're going to have 0.75 ounces.
0.75 ounces
of lemon juice. And I know what you're thinking. Why didn't I do fresh squeezed lemons? Because that's a lot of work. And again, it's noon. 0.75 ounces of simple syrup. Again, I did not make my own simple syrup. Even though it is very easy, it is time consuming. And I don't own this house. To make simple syrup though, it's just sugar, water, boil it down, put it in a bowl. And for this drink, we have to have the bitters. These are orange bitters. You buy these at any grocery store that sells alcohol, liquor store, whatever. Just gonna do a few dashes. Get that nice aromatic orange flavor in there. So, and I'm not a crazy person. I'm not a bartender. I'm not gonna shake like a madman behind the bar. So, that's it. And again, it's nice and chill because we added ice to that. We're gonna make it 2. Beautiful color. Again, we're going to garnish with more slice. I've sliced my finger open on these things so much. Perfect. Yep. Look at that.
Look at that.
I'm gonna try it. Should I try it? That's awesome. Here we go.